So now we're going to go ahead and walk you through game 3 of the Blimey Box challenges. We hope that after setting this game up and seeing the video, you'll feel pretty comfortable setting up the games going forward. But it doesn't hurt to just practice one more time taking a look at how the games work. So the first thing we see at the top is that the only extra materials you need are a pencil. As we've mentioned before, we're going to set our locks to the combinations and then we'll work our way through actually locking up the box. So the first thing it says to do is to set black lock 775. So we'll go ahead and with our black lock, I'm just going to twist him into that nodule and turn him to 775. He's good to go. The red 3-digit lock needs to be set to 369. Our letter lock is going to be SNIEA for its code. I'm going to take a look at that line on my housing and twist it up so that it lines up with my shackle. Twist it up until it won't twist anymore, and then we're going to go SNIEA. Make sure that your combination's right, and then turn that housing back so that the line lines up across for your combination. You'll go ahead and just double check. It closes, so I know it's ready to go. The last one we need to do is our 4-digit lock. This one is supposed to be set to 5731. And now he is set as well. So once we have all of our locks set up, ready to go with the right combination, we then just turn back to our instruction sheet, which says to first place a treasure inside the small treasure box. This here's our treasure box. Recently my son has been infatuated with money, so I'm going to put $1 in there, which should make his day when we go to the dollar store. I'm going to close that, and it says to lock that with our key lock. So I'm going to put the key lock around him, and I'll hold on to that key until he finishes the key task. The small treasure box is going to just go inside our larger box like so, and we'll set that aside until we're ready. The next thing it says to do is cut apart tasks 1 through 4 and the pieces of the key task. I went ahead and cheated. I've got those completed already, as well as my cut up puzzle pieces. So once that's complete, and you can go ahead and pause the video here if you need time to catch up, but once you get to that stage, it says to put up the cut up pieces of the puzzle in the lockable bag and then close that with the hasp. So here's our lockable bag. I'm going to go ahead and put our puzzle pieces in there. Once those are there, we'll close it up and put it on our hasp. Now we need to go ahead and lock the hasp with our letter lock. And we'll reset that to match. The next one we're going to do is the 4-digit lock. The last one it says to lock on there is our 3-digit black lock. So once you've got the bag all locked up and all the locks set back to 0 or match, we are going to then put our bag inside the larger box. Tuck that in and fold him over. It then says to place tasks 2, 3, and 4 inside the box. So I've got my tasks here. I'll just set those behind our bag. And to close the box, make sure it clasps. At this stage, you still have one lock, the 3-digit red lock, that we're going to put right on the front of our box and set to 0. And after you've got the fully locked box ready to go, the last thing you do is give task 1 to your child along with a pencil, and he or she is off and running. Good luck. We'll look forward to seeing you on future games.